Hello and welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. We are all aware that schools will be resuming on 4th of August, and it's actually resuming for the exit class students, that students that are in SS3, students that are planning to write exams. So school is going to be reopening for them, and the Waec exams are supposed to start by 17th of August. So these students are supposed to go back to school so that they can start preparing for the exams. So once you get to our website www.jamwaecnecouni.com, you should be able to see these very news, or you can click inside the search button in our website. So when you read through the article, you're going to find out that apart from Waec, also that you have NECO that is going to be starting up soon. So you need to be aware of this. So Waec is starting on 17th of August. Now, when you get to the top of our website, very importantly, jamwaecnecouni.com, by the right hand side, you're going to see our lectures. They are free lectures actually. Any subject you want to study, mathematics, English, once you click on any of them, it will lead you into the class where you are taught very well according to the curriculum so that you can pass your exams. So let's say I clicked on mathematics. You can see maths opens out. Then it's like you're in a class and you're receiving lectures. So once you open the website like this, just check the right hand side. That's where you have the whole lectures are very well in a detailed format explained. If you're using a phone, make sure once you open, you will just be seeing this news first. So it's good that you scroll down. Once you scroll down, if you're using a phone, that's when you start seeing this online school. So this is our online school. You can simply call this phone number so that we can add you to our Zoom class. You can see where we will join our Zoom class. This is the number. You can chat me up on WhatsApp and tell me that you want to join our Zoom class. For now, the Zoom class is free of charge. If you're using phone, you can click on this button to call my number immediately, or you can also WhatsApp me by clicking on this place. So get in touch so that you join the Zoom class. The Zoom class is very, very important because once you join on WhatsApp, we'll send you the link that you'll be using to join the Zoom class, and our teachers are very good. They are teaching based on curriculum so that you can pass your exams. You can also see past questions and answers. All the past questions that you want, they are here, both for JAMB and for Waec, and many resources that you need. Now when you click on buy our lectures and materials, you should be able to see our lectures and our materials. If you're looking for materials for your project, if you're looking for past question and answers, and we are selling at a very cheap price, we will sell past questions for as low as 200 naira. So you will find a lot of materials that you want. You can quickly, once you pay, you can download the past question and start studying from your house. Then if you have any material you're looking for and you cannot see it here, simply click on submit assignment. When you click on submit assignment, you should be able to write what you want us to do for you. So with your email and phone number, we should be able to get back to you. So this is where you put what you want under this project assignment title and give us more information on what you want. So once you click submit, we should be able to get it on our email, and we should be able to report back to you. So this website is just the best for Nigerian students, and you need to get to it so that you can use it and learn anything you want to learn about. You can also please hit the subscribe button on this video and give us thumbs up, share it so that your friends can see them on Facebook and start using them, because it's a very valuable material. And we're going to be uploading different post-UTME past questions and many other contents. So this is the best place for you to get them. You can also simply go to YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, simply search for Tclassified.com. That's our channel on YouTube. Everything you want as a student is there. So once you're on YouTube, click this search button on YouTube and search for Tclassified.com. So once you're there, hit the subscribe button immediately. Once you hit the subscribe button, you can follow the channel so that anytime we release any new video, you'll be the first to see such videos. So please hit the subscribe button. Happy Salah to everybody, especially our Muslim friends that are celebrating Salah. The website name again is www.jamwaecnecouni.com. Schools are resuming tomorrow, being the 4th of August, and Waec exams are starting by 17. Hit the subscribe button. Please give us thumbs up, like and share our videos. Thanks, and God bless you.